Hello learners, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today our topic is on second law of thermodynamics. This topic has made most of the students confused. So for this discussion, we will make it as easy as possible. So the major statements of second law of thermodynamics are the following statements. First is Clausius statement. It can be stated as it is impossible to construct a device which operates on a cycle and whose sole effect is the transfer of heat from a cooler body to a hotter body. That means heat cannot spontaneously flow from cold system to hot system without external work being performed on the system. And the second statement is Kelvin-Planck statement. It can be stated as it is impossible for any device that operates in a cycle to receive heat from a single reservoir and produce net amount of work. That means we cannot convert the total energy into useful work. There is some energy loss in the system. And the third statement is entropy. Before discussing this statement, we have to know what is entropy. Entropy is a measure of uncertainty or randomness of a molecule in a system. Entropy of the system always increases for a spontaneous process. By understanding these three statements, we can define second law of thermodynamics as when energy changes from one form to another form, entropy in a closed system increases. In simple words, this law can be defined as all the spontaneous processes are irreversible unless an external force acts on that process. Spontaneous process is a process which occurs without any external force. Consider here few examples to understand this law. When coffee is poured in a cup, the cup gets hotter. Initially, the coffee cup has low temperature and coffee has high temperature. So, when we poured coffee in a cup, heat travels from high temperature to low temperature. So, coffee cup gets hotter. And another example is compressed gas balloon. If you open a small hole in a balloon, then the outside air enters the balloon? No. Instead, the gas in the balloon goes outside, transfer its pressure to the outside air because the gas in balloon has a high pressure than the outside air. Now, if you observe these two examples, you will come to know that these two are spontaneous processes and are occurring without any external force. From this, the second law of thermodynamics is stated as energy transfer from one form to another form from high energy value to low energy value, that is spontaneous, and this cannot be reversed unless an external force acts on it. So this is second law of thermodynamics. I hope you all have understood this law very well. Thank you.